14,000 lines of code. One session. One developer. One AI. Here's what actually happened. This isn't a look how clever AI is video. This is an honest account of a single coding session where I sat down with Claude and tried to build a workflow engine from scratch. Routing logic, execution pipelines, error handling, the lot. 14,247 lines across 89 files by the end of the day. That number sounds impressive, and parts of it genuinely were. Here's where AI was extraordinary: scaffolding. You describe a data model and it generates the types, the validation, the CRUD operations, the tests, all consistent, all following the patterns you've established. What would normally take a full day of tedious boilerplate took 20 minutes. Test generation. I'd write a function and say, write the tests. And it would. Thorough ones. Edge cases I hadn't considered. That alone probably saved 4 hours. Repetitive patterns. We had 30-something API endpoints that all followed the same structure. I built 2, and the AI built the other 28. Correctly. Now the honest part. Architecture decisions. The AI happily built whatever I described. But when I asked it to design the system, to make the hard trade-offs between flexibility and complexity, it defaulted to over-engineering every time. It wanted abstractions on top of abstractions, edge cases, not the obvious ones, those it caught, the subtle ones. A race condition that only appeared under load, a date calculation that broke during daylight saving. Tests passed, CI passed, the bugs were invisible until they weren't, and coupling. The AI would reference a module from somewhere it shouldn't, creating dependencies that looked fine in isolation, but made the system fragile as a whole. It doesn't hold the full architecture in its head the way an experienced developer does. Here's my honest assessment after that session. AI is a 10 times accelerator for known patterns. If you know what you want to build and can describe it clearly, it will get you there faster than you ever thought possible. But it does not replace thinking. It doesn't replace the hard decisions about what to build, how to structure it, and what to leave out. We built JieGou with AI. This video was scripted with AI. The voiceover is AI. The pattern is clear. AI handles the execution. Humans handle the judgment. That's the actual lesson from 14,000 lines of code in one session. Not that AI is magic. That AI is a power tool. And like any power tool, it's brilliant in skilled hands and dangerous in careless ones. If you want to follow how we're building a company this way, with AI at every layer, subscribe. We share everything, the wins, the failures, and the code. Link in the description.